Yes, 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 yes. You know it's a general, the 10-star one. Sure is. Hear me I say nation people. Cause right about now, the thing get even more explosive than how we think. Remember, how much here now the world boss there in a prison. Eh? When you check the nation people, where it go? 11, 12? Here we are going right about now. The world boss job come home. Then, I'm think from 2019 that. Here me I say, the world boss there in a prison. The world boss now gonna stage show for do them song they on no show. For get no streaming or fight now, nothing like them thing there. Right about now, nation people, believe me, it's when you check chart data update, a 100k gone, pan come home. You hear that? No lollipop thing that they in a make game. No guinea mix thing that they about it. A 100k, 100,000 slap way when it touch the seal, pan come home. So you tell me now, nation people, if you can put some people with the world boss, the nerve of some people, the nerve of some bomber ass clad people, have the audacity to talk about you want to mix on the name with bomber clad, the world boss, the world class, the world dominate, Mr. Dancehall himself, are you sick, are you stupid, what are you dealing? What kind of gimmicks thing on the depot? What kind of lollipop thing on the depot? You tell me now, talk to me. 100k gone when it touch sales. Here's where me I say, come home. Here's where me I say, damn road. The world boss I represent in a bumbuckler fine style. You can imagine if the world boss there road and I go places, go do them bumbuckler song there. On the show. You don't know the type of amount of streaming where they on them bumbuckler song there. The world boss there there for promote the thing the right and proper way. And yet thing are shot like blood clot M16. I just want the right job people. Bumbuckler come home. No joke shit not there about it. A 100k gone. You see what I say? Yeah, no joke shit not there. 100,000 copy gone. Chart USA chart data on you can go bumbuckler check it up them new bumbuckler update. Now gimmicks thing that they about it, now no lollipop thing that they about it. You see what I say? A real way I represent. You know what I mean? Gaza way they ain't no other way. You know we do things already boy, nation people. You see what I say? One of a kind. You see what I say? So when some look come on and feel like say well then, when you hear about the world boss and feel like say well then, yeah. You know what I mean? Because the world, it's been like a world favorite when you call their name there. People just think say, well then, yeah man, I chew the blood clot world boss. No dog. You see me? The work with the general put in, man, exceptional my brother. No joke shit not there about it. You hear that? The work with the general put in an exceptional thing. No bumbuckler gimmicks thing not there about it. No joke thing not there about it. And no lollipop bomber ass cloth thing. You see what I say? The work have to put in. If you not put in the work, you can't get no result. And at that the world boss be knowing for you. Hear that? Work, result. Work, result. I know I can't believe in a short space of time like that come home. 100,000 blood clot copy gone. Pussy clot, when all me see all them shit there, dog, it grieve me how the blood clot world boss lock the fuck up. You hear that? Because if the world boss there road a different attraction from them blood clots and there. The man there over there road, my brother. So I promote them shit there. The way how it's supposed to promote. You see what I say? No joke thing that there about it, nation people. You see me? Nah, no gimmicks thing that in the game. You know what I mean? Yeah. The thing shell way. hotter than where hell. No joke shit not there about it, you know. Yeah, man. At summertime now, in the state, you see it? So, you know the thing go already. You know, crazy blood clot shellings. You see me, you can see it. How the street full up and packed up and jam up a blood clot people. Yeah. I saw the things there, my brother. No lollipop thing not there in the game. You see me? Yes. You see what I say? Come on. 108,000 K gone. You go check chart data. Because I said to you no lollipop thing. You know how Gaza thing go already. You see me? Fully indoors. Exceptional class. You see what I say? Yeah. It's only a pity that the general there. Which part him there? You see what I say? Because if the general there road would have bound to get crazy promotion on them song there. And then now, the song themselves now could have shell down the whole blood clot place. You see what I say? Anytime the general go any show, go perform it, and them shit there, you see it? Yeah. Because those them thing they why the streaming them they have a bomb up more than that. But for say, well then, the man there behind the bars and a that go on, we couldn't ask you nothing better, my brother. You see it? No joke shit not there about it. Yeah, man. We love everything we go on. You see what I say? Yeah, man. The general a clap. Me I tell you the song them a clap. You know what I mean? I can't believe. Yeah. So in a short space of time. You know what I mean? So much copy gone. So much copy sold. You see what I say? And I not talk about when I say it's sold. I not talk about over the Caribbean, you know. I talk about in the USA alone. You see what I say? I tell you about USA chart data. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And all over I tell you about. One place, I just say state. And 100,000 copy gone. World boss, you have fire. No joke shit not dead about that. You see what I say? For a man, we do every day. I road, my brother. Eh? You a blast off, world boss. A first class style. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I say? We love everything about what I go on. You see me? Because anytime the general free up, you know, a total different shit, you know. You know what I mean? Because nobody not tell you them things there, you know. So I see you act like you think you can sleep on the general work where you put out there, you know. That can't happen, you know, my brother. Yeah. No lie thing, no joke thing that about it. That can never happen. Nowhere near John blood clot shop. You mad? Eh? Yeah, you think none of them blood clot shit they can't happen. It can't hide neither one through the boat. You know what I mean? We are going to sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. We want to make people know what time it is. You see me? We want to make them know how the world boss o'clock. No joke shit not there about that. The general, the 10-star one, I represent nation people who know each and every time I represent. Who know a loud explosion business. What? And the general, you know, the 10-star one, I represent. Oh.